With our CSPro program, we've already included logic checks as we saw in the previous video. Now, we didn't include the value sets for district, ward, village, and enumeration area. As I said that we shall use external files, which for external files for districts, external file for ward, village, and enumeration area. So we are going to create 4 external numeric files so that districts from each region will be populated. The ward from which districts also will be included. Village from which ward will be included. Enumeration area from which village or mtaa will be shown. Now, we have to, as I said, that you need to have some folders in your CSPro program folder, and then I created the 2 folders, namely data and the docs. Now, if you open docs, this is where I saved my other documents. My other documents such as enumeration area, questionnaire, etc. Now, if I open list of sampled enumeration areas, you may find that I have around I have 228 enumeration areas. These are areas where the study is going to be implemented. Now, I want to create the external Excel file for districts. First of all, so that I cannot disturb the original file. Now, I'm going to copy and paste this one because I'm going to edit some. This is district. Now, this one. Now, I'm going to remain with the district region and the district name. Region name, this is code. Then the other one, see, and I have to name this sheet as district. And then later on you'll see why naming the worksheet is important. Now, for the case of region, I'm going to delete. First of all, I'm going to I know up to this moment there is duplicates in district names, district name column, so I have to remove those duplicates and select all. Now we have left with these 10 districts which will be surveyed in these respective regions. Now I'm going to change these names. This one is the region. This is the district, and also this is the this is for districts. Now I'm going to produce another file for word. For word, the same procedures we used while creating. First of all, let me rename this one word. Then a word. Now word name up here. Then the rest off they go. And then I have to check remove duplicates for word variable, word name removed. They have to remove this is and the region name, then it's over. I have now to customize the name. This one I'll call it word region, W region, W district, W word, the word, and this one I'll call this one word name, and this word. Oh, sorry, word. Save. So let me from Excel to CSPro. Then create CSPro dictionary from Excel. Select the Excel file. Now the X file, the name of that file is district, and then we have to analyze. Then you have to select the two variables that will be directed to identification part. It means that we shall be comparing the identification part for external using the variable region and districts, and the one available into the program. Then create. Now we have to write the name of dictionary file name. Maybe this one will be district. Then you want to create, convert and say yes. We have to create output data output file. Maybe this one also will be district. This is file, the data file, and then we have to map so that the variable from the Excel can be linked to the one from the CSPro. Then create CSPro data file. Then OK. Now we have the data file, district, and this is data file and the district dictionary file. Now I'm going to create dictionary district, CSPro dictionary and CSPro data file using this information as we did in the previous when we were dealing with the region. Export, okay, export, create CSPro data file, name it as word, and then you have to analyze this information for identification part, and then name this one is word, dictionary name, word. Then yes. Now we have to come again and select the output data file because we want to produce word data file for word mapping, and then create 166 created. It means that we had the 166 word. Now exporting that one, village, this one, and then analyze. Oh, we have not named the worksheet. It is important that we name the worksheet. Page to export to CSPro. Then you have to upload that one. Oops. Village. I know that we've covered similar procedures in the previous video. That's why you have to go fast so that you can at least manage to cover important parts. Now the dictionary name. This is village, and then you have to select this optify village map. Get that one. Now tools, access to CSPro, that one, enumeration area. Then you have to wait a little bit so that the file can be loaded. Then you have to pick those, then create the dictionary. Now dictionary name, dictionary name is EA. Yes, then you have to specify the output data file is EA. Again, you have to map CSPro file 228, same as number of enumeration areas. Already created the dictionary and data file for district, for ward, village, and the enumeration areas.